Welcome, food explorers. Today's big question is, why do pumpkins turn into pie? Pumpkins look solid and round, but can they really become pie? What do you notice inside? Strings, seeds, and soft orange pulp. Can you scoop the air like this? Scoop, swoop, drop. Let's pretend we're kitchen wizards. Stir your air whisk, swish, swish, give a little sparkle wiggle. Look, soft pumpkin becomes smooth puree. Ping, ping, ping! Watch the oven heat set our silky filling. Edges firm first, then the center. Now it's pie. Oven heat changes things. Wet filling turns set. Eggs help it firm like a custard. Steam floats out, the crust turns golden and crisp. From pumpkin to pie. You just earned your pumpkin pie transformer badge. At home, with a grown-up, smell the spices used to make pumpkin pie, cinnamon and nutmeg. See you next time, food explorers. Until next time, keep asking big questions about little bites.